Okay, I tell you what,
You don't get siao ah! Yes.
Are you sober now?
Yes. And I bought every single insurance from BIB, Prudential, and Great Western already. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hey, I'm your long lost brother. I'm James. James So.
Long lost brother.
Yes.
Ah. I see your pattern. Come, we come in and talk, okay?
Come. Sit down and talk. Hey, Jay. Okay, Jay.
I'm not your brother. I'm sorry to disappoint you, but that's the fact.
No lah, you see, you don't know what is going on lah. You see, just now we scratch head together, we breathe in, breathe out the same rhythm. Then just now I also got like that.
I mean, everybody scratch their head. Everybody breathe in and out, ma. But that doesn't mean they are my brother.
Okay, I tell you what, I show you something. Come.
Bro, this one confirm not me. You see this one? So cute. So skinny. The hair, so neat. You see my hair? So untidy. Confirm not me.
So you are not my brother.
Confirm not your brother.
You know, I'm searching up and down for my brother. I thought I can find him. I just want to share with him the joy. The joy that I win a lucky draw, you know or not?
You win what lucky draw, huh?
I win the... You know, there's this platform called Renopedia, the online renovation platform. Through Renopedia, right? I go and find interior design firm. I find 5 to 8, then after I engage an interior design firm. After which, right? Renopedia called me out, say I win the lucky draw, the first prize, someone first prize 25,000, you know, 25,000 Wow, he's not around to share with me.
Wow, brother. I think after some time I realized, we really are brothers, eh. You see, we now sit also the same. Your hair also messy like mine. Wow, you see, we comb hair also same. We sit also same. Only people with the same DNA will do this kind of thing.
It's okay. I think it's late. Sorry to disturb you.
Hey,
I need to go already.
Brother, you really like my brother leh. We stand up also same time together.
Okay, I tell you what,
You don't get siao ah! Just like I come in I sit down Yeah. You see?
Then you say you are not my brother. Now after I tell you I win lucky draw, you say you are my brother.
We long lost brother ma. Now come back. Now synchronize liao.
Okay. You slowly sit.
Bye. Must stand one. Brother is like that one.
It's okay. Bye.
Really. You don't go. Please don't go. You are my brother. Really. You stay here. My house very big. Renopedia renovate one. Hey, don't go. Hey.
Visit Renopedia and renovate with our interior design firms to stand a chance win up to $50,000. Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.